Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets in our modern lives, seamlessly blending communication, health tracking, and convenience right on your wrist. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to monitor your workouts with precision, a busy professional needing to stay connected without constantly reaching for your phone, or simply someone who appreciates the elegance of technology, a smartwatch offers a tailored experience. These devices have evolved far beyond simple timekeeping, becoming sophisticated personal assistants that can manage notifications, track vital health metrics like heart rate and sleep patterns, facilitate contactless payments, and even provide GPS navigation, all while complementing your personal style. Number 5. AMI Parts Universal Bathroom Vent Fan Motor Kit SM550. Is your bathroom fan struggling? This universal motor kit is designed to bring quiet and efficient ventilation back to your space. It's a perfect replacement for many common models. Experience optimal airflow with 50 CFM, ensuring your bathroom stays fresh and free of moisture. This motor operates at 120 V for reliable performance. We've made replacing your old motor simple. With clear specifications and a straightforward design, you can get your ventilation system back up and running quickly. Remember to always cut the power before installation. This kit is compatible with a wide range of popular brands like Newtone and Braun, as well as many other part numbers. Check our list to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. Built with quality in mind, this motor is designed for long-lasting performance. Its robust construction ensures it can handle daily use, keeping your bathroom comfortable. This is a direct replacement for part numbers like C65878, VFM100, and EM550. If you're unsure about compatibility, just send us a message, and we'll help you find the correct part. What we like. This motor is designed for efficient air movement in your bathroom. If you're looking for a direct replacement for common brands and need reliable ventilation, this is a solid choice. Its reversible rotation adds flexibility for different installation needs. What people say. This fan motor is an exact fit replacement of what was in our fan. So much, that I was able to install the replacement motor with some guidance from Dad. The mounting screws match perfectly with the mounting bracket that is in our fan. It is the same RPM and has the exact outside blade. It was as simple as attaching the motor to the mounting bracket, reinserting the mounting bracket under the bracket screws and tightening them down and plugging in the power and finishing reassembly. Fit perfectly. Easy to install. This works so well, and it's very quiet. It was very easy to put in using the existing plate. Number 4. Romalon 970122448 Range Hood Fan Motor Replacement. Is your range hood fan not working correctly? This replacement motor is designed to restore its functionality, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh and clean. Designed as a direct replacement, it fits Newtone and Braun 40000-42000 series range hoods. Installation is quick, taking only about 5 to 10 minutes to get your hood back in action. This durable part effectively removes cooking grease and odors, keeping your kitchen air clear. It's built with quality materials for reliable, long-lasting performance. Instead of replacing your entire range hood, fix it with this affordable motor. It's a cost-effective solution to a common kitchen ventilation problem. This motor is a high-quality alternative, replacing multiple part numbers for your convenience. It's designed to meet the original specifications for optimal performance. We stand behind our products. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you with a replacement or refund. What we like. This option offers dual-speed functionality for tailored airflow control in your kitchen. If you need to quickly replace a faulty range hood motor and want a durable solution that effectively removes grease and odors, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for busy home cooks. What people say. Works perfect for me on high and low. 2x more powerful than the original one. Super easy fix, take off screen filter, unbolt fan and unplug power. Repeat steps in reverse to put in place. This all took less than 5 minutes from unboxing to finished installation. After switching the motor ends and attaching it to the other side of the old bracket, everything works great. Blows in the right direction and fits perfectly in place. Number 3. Lions. Behold the magnificent lions, the undisputed rulers of the savannah. Their powerful presence and regal demeanor command respect and awe. These incredible creatures embody strength and courage. Witness their unwavering spirit as they navigate their wild domain. Experience the essence of the wild through the lions. They are a vital part of the ecosystem, showcasing nature's grandeur. See how they protect their family and their land with fierce loyalty. Their social structures are as complex as they are fascinating. Prepare to be captivated by their beauty and power. Their roars echo through the plains, a testament to their wild heart. What we like. This resource provides in-depth knowledge for understanding and supporting child development. If you are a parent or clinician seeking expert advice and practical strategies for pediatric exercise, this handbook is an invaluable tool. It covers a wide range of developmental stages and needs. What people say. The Motor Week is a great car for families. It has a lot of space for passengers and cargo. The car is also very fuel efficient. Number 2. Pediatric Exercise Handbook. Unlock your child's potential with our comprehensive guide. This handbook provides essential developmental exercises for both parents and clinicians. Designed for easy understanding, it offers practical, how-to advice. Ensure optimal physical development for children with expert-backed strategies. Navigate the complexities of pediatric exercise with confidence. We break down essential movements and activities tailored to different developmental stages. Instill lifelong healthy habits from an early age. This resource is your go-to for fostering physical well-being in children. Gain valuable insights from professionals in pediatric care. It's an indispensable tool for anyone involved in a child's physical growth. What we like. This study guide bundle offers extensive preparation for a wide array of automotive certifications. If you are an aspiring or current automotive technician looking to pass multiple ASE exams, this comprehensive package is ideal. It provides the targeted practice needed for success across various specializations. What people say. As a more experienced clinician, I have used this as an educational tool to provide parents and students with a why behind exercises and some nice, safe ways to simplify and advance interventions with clear pictures. This book explains how to safely and effectively work on gross motor skills, balance, and core strength using creative exercises. Photos are included, which I find quite helpful. Having ideas of affordable and portable tools for therapy that are also accessible to families is amazing. This book is so easy to get out and share the images and ideas with parents right there in the moment of a therapy session. Number 1. Motor Age Training ASE Study Guide Bundle A1, A9, L1, X1, P2, C1. Prepare for your ASE certification exams with our comprehensive study guide bundle. It covers a wide range of essential topics to ensure you're ready. This bundle includes study guides and practice tests for multiple ASE areas, from A1 to A9, plus L1, X1, P2, and C1. Get everything you need in one package. Enhance your understanding of automotive repair and diagnostics. Our materials are designed to help you learn effectively and retain key information. Test your knowledge with realistic practice questions. This will help you identify areas for improvement and build confidence for the actual exam. Developed by Motor Age Training, a trusted name in automotive education. Rely on our expertise to guide you toward success in your certification journey. Achieve your professional goals with this all-in-one study solution. It's the perfect tool to help you pass your ASE tests with flying colors. What we like. This product is built with superior parts for optimal functionality and longevity. If you prioritize dependable performance and are seeking a robust solution for your needs, this is an excellent selection. It's designed for users who demand quality and reliability in their equipment. What people say. These books are so helpful. Beside what I'm learning at the trade school, they teach me new things and ways to solve problems, and most importantly to get my ASE certifications so I can become a master technician. The books themselves are very helpful and informative. I have a very high level of hobbyist experience working on vehicles and use this product to improve on and expand on my current knowledge. Great study guide. The books were well written and full of information. I passed all 8 ASE A1, A8 recertification tests. I highly recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.